How's it going, everybody? I'm getting out here again. Gonna get out and make a little money before the big snowstorm hits. It's coming this weekend, so I want to make sure I get out here and make a couple nickels before it does show up. I'm gonna turn on Uber and DoorDash and see what I end up with today. I'm not really shooting for any goal. I'm just gonna see what happens, see how it goes. It's I got a late start. It's 12:21 now. It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna get out here and get things going and hopefully make some money today. We'll see how it goes. Come on along with me. Yeah, I wanted to get out here before the storm hits because I don't plan on being out in 4 to 6 inches of snow they're calling for. So could be a foot, could be 1 inch, could be ice. Who knows what it's going to be. So I'm gonna get out here and check it out. It's like kind of a cloudy, gloomy day out there. So I'll get with you when I get an order, get things going here. I'll get my phone going and things set up. So I'll get with you in a bit. Okay, I got me a Jimmy John's order down here in Wood River. I'm gonna run down here and grab it. $7. I always take the first order that pops up, so that's what I'm doing. They wanted to add another order on there, 650 plus, going 4 miles almost, but I didn't take it, so I'm just gonna get this Jimmy John's order and go from there. I went ahead and paused my DoorDash, so.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on West St. Louis Avenue using the left 2 lanes.
Don't listen to her. Just kidding. Alright, headed down here to Wood River Jimmy John's. Well, I'm here at Jimmy John's. I'm gonna go grab this order, make $7. Okay, I got that delivered. I'm gonna turn DoorDash back on. Dash now till 4:30. That's when it gets dark. I don't like dashing in the dark. Guess I'll kind of cruise my way back up towards Alton. I'm down here in Wood River.
In a quarter mile, keep right using the right lane.
Yeah. Well, I got a Roma's Pizza order I'm going to pick up right now. It's $14 and something.
Keep
They
right,
sent it to me earlier. They sent it to me earlier and it was like $11 and something, so they brought the price up and I went ahead and took it. Being as how it's a pizza order, a lot of times you get tips with pizza orders, so figured why not. I didn't have anything else going. DoorDash wasn't sending me anything, so I'm headed to Bethalto to pick up Roma's Pizza and take it to Godfrey, actually, for $15. It's better than nothing. There's a rock quarry. a horse in there eating something. He's eating hay. One mile away from the pizza place. I'm here at Roma's Pizza. I'll be right back. Yeah, I got the pizza picked up. It's 9.7 miles to the customer, and I'm gonna be taking the highway, so it won't be that bad. I'll be there pretty fast. Alright, I got that pizza delivered. It's out here at a senior living place. Got $11.60 on Uber, but tips pending. There's a couple tips pending still, so I'm gonna turn DoorDash back on. There really wasn't much sense in me having it on while I was on this order, because I just have to decline orders or whatever. But alright, we'll see where we end up. I'm gonna head back up towards the restaurant area. I'm out here not far from Alton. Oh, sitting here at my favorite spot, Red Lobster, at the shade tree. Wish me luck. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're doing good. I'm doing alright. Had a good New Year's. Went out to my brother's, had a little fun. Played dice most of the night till we were there till like 1 o'clock in the morning. Had a good time though. Hope everybody's doing well out there. And like I said, I'm just out here seeing what I can get done before the big snowstorm hits. We're gonna have a bunch of snow coming. The sun came out a little bit, so it's not too bad. It's like 40 something degrees out here right now. But this weekend, after this weekend, things are going to change a lot, so figured I might as well get out of here and make the money while I got a chance. So bear with me. Hopefully it's a good day. So far I made a little bit, all on Uber. DoorDash is not too productive today, so we'll see you in a bit. Sitting in the pink, looking hot spot near Panera Bread. Estimated wait time 3 to 12 minutes. They already sent me 2 upside down orders, DoorDash did. Knocked my acceptance rate down 2 notches, so I'm down to 78% now. Had 80 when I started. But I'm here waiting on order. I'm sure something will come up here soon. Well, I got a Taco Bell order, $4.25 for 1 mile. I'm going to get it. Ain't doing nothing else, so better than nothing. They got the flag at half-mast, I guess, because of the terrorist attack stuff. Anyway, I had to wait like 10 minutes on that Taco Bell order. That's why I like doing earn by time. This is a $4.25 order, and I had to wait 10 minutes for it. So, headed to the customer. Okay, I got that dropped off, that $4 high pay, $4.25 high paying offer. But then I got a $9.50 for Panera Bread and Olga's Kitchen for 4-point-something miles. So I'm headed to Panera. At least I'm working, making money. Some money, not much. I'm here, Panera. Kind of a tight squeeze. Be back in a bit. Well, I had to wait on that Panera order close to 10 minutes too. That's why I don't like earn per offer. Sitting there waiting in the stores. Most of the time the stuff ain't ready. I'd rather work earn by time, I think. Matter of fact, I'm about ready to rather not even do DoorDash at all and just stay on Uber. At least they give you orders, and sometimes decent ones. Anyway, I'm just venting. It'll be alright. At least I'm out here doing it. Now I get to go take a walk in the mall to Olga's Kitchen. And that probably isn't ready either, so it's the way it goes. First your money, then your clothes. Okay, I got the Olga's Kitchen order picked up. I'm gonna go drop off this Panera. We'll see where I end up. 2 deliveries complete, $9.50. $2.50 base, $4 tip, and a $3 tip. That was not worth it. That thing took a long time to get completed, so I had to drop that off at Goodwill here. So, all right, I'm gonna head somewhere. I'm going somewhere. Go over here and hang out by Panera. Turn Uber back on. I had to turn it off, but they just keep sending me orders when I'm in the middle of other orders, and that just ain't cool. So I'll park here by Wendy's and Panera and see what comes up next. Got $13.75 on DoorDash. Turn Uber back on. $21 on Uber. %27 acceptance rate on Uber. And DoorDash is giving me an order. $3.75 for 2.1 miles. No. Decline. I ain't doing it. They just ripped me off on that last order, so I ain't doing it. I don't care anymore. I'm not gonna take it. Never did and I never will. Well, I've been at it for 2 hours and 15 minutes almost. I've got probably 20, close to 30 bucks. That ain't good. So that's one reason I like doing earn by time, because I have to wait in these restaurants all the time. It ain't good. Hey, y'all like my new necklace I got? Got that for Christmas, actually, on New Year's Eve from my son Tommy Lee. It's a nice necklace. Plus, got a little penny with a cross in it too. It's from their church that they go to. Pretty neat. Anyway, I'm hanging out here at the Panera parking lot. Wendy's over there. We'll see what happens. There we go. Ooh, $12. 9 miles. IHOP. I'll take it. At least it's above 10 bucks. I'm going for it. How much you want to bet this order's not done at IHOP? I'll bet you a nickel it's not done. We'll see. Good old IHOP. I hopped over here and get this order. Sneaking in the back way. Smile. I'm at IHOP. Well, it wasn't ready. You owe me a nickel. Somebody owes me a nickel. Alright, I'm heading to Bethalto. This is where it's going, so I'll get back with you. Cop got somebody over there. What are you doing? What'd you do now? I'm almost to the customer. Well, that was a decent order. $6 base and $6 tip. So I got $25.75 and $5 for this order. It's just right over here, not far. So it's an ice cream order. And it's only going like a mile, I think. I'll put you up here and let you ride around for a little bit. There, go ride around on the hood for a little while. Find my way out of these apartments. Ding, ding, ding. There's another one of them sunsets. Might be a neat sunset after a while here in a little bit. We'll see. There's a lot of these apartments here. Back in the day, I actually lived in one, and I had a little garden in the back. I had tomato plants and pepper plants, green onions, Tom Thumb. I had a green thumb. And weather vane is right here. That'll do it. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Well, I got that delivered here to senior housing place. Anyway, I got 3075 on here and 2107 at $51 so far. And I got Uber on and DoorDash on. I'm gonna head back towards Alton. Put DoorDash on pause. I'll go get this Walgreens order. Gotta go down Vaughn Road, it's down that way. It's not this Walgreens, of course. There's Walgreens right there, but I gotta go down there to get this order. And with Alto cops out here busy today. Alright, getting on the highway. Cut a few minutes off my journey here. I'd get to see that sunset here soon. I've arrived. I'm at Walgreens. I'll run in there and grab this, whatever it is. Who knows what it is. Okay, I got that little package dropped off over here, so I have $30.75 on DoorDash, $28.15, almost $60, and it's 4:02. I got about a half an hour before it gets dark, 45 minutes at the most, so I'm gonna kind of mosey my way towards my house and see where I end up, see if I get an order, one more order. Thanks for hanging out with me. There's the old dome. Check that place out. It's neat looking, actually. Looks like a big golf ball. Old railroad trestle. They turn railroad cars around in there and work on them. All right, I'm heading back to Alton. Okay, I just got a $6 2.4 mile McDonald's order. I'm heading over there to get it. It's right up here. Here's where my son works, Fisher Lumber. Well, I got the $6 Mickey D's dropped off. Then they sent me a 10.25 for 12 miles. Excuse me. I don't want to take it. There's a another $5 McDonald's. I guess I'll do this one and then that's it for me for the night. Oh, I declined it. Whoops. I didn't want it anyway. It ain't $6. They gotta quit being cheapos. Give me at least $6 for them McDonald's orders. That last one was $6. Why couldn't they give me $6 for this one? It was the same mileage too. See what else comes up. Probably nothing. Let's see. Having fun now. Yeah, I'm about done, I think. I went ahead and ended my dash 36.75. I was gonna accept that last order, but I accidentally hit decline. I'm so used to declining orders. I was gonna accept it, but I accidentally hit decline. Whoops. But I'm headed home now, and we'll see what we end up with. I got 36.75 on DoorDash. Not sure what's on Uber yet. I'll get back with you in a minute. It's getting late, getting dark, starting to get dark, so I'm calling it a day. It's a day. Yep, I got 28.15 on Uber, had 36.75 on DoorDash. It's getting late and I'm getting hungry, so I'm home. There's George. Hi, George. Anyway, I'm home. I appreciate you guys riding along with me. I appreciate you watching. Hope you all have a blessed evening and be safe out there. If you don't mind, throw a thumbs up on my video and give me a comment. Let's see what's on your mind. This was kind of a messed up video, but I just wanted to get out here and get a little bit of money before the snow comes. I might go back tomorrow if it hasn't snowed yet, so just got to see how the weather goes. You never know about the weather around here. If you don't like the weather around the St. Louis area, just hang out for an hour. It'll change. So, appreciate you all watching. Peace.